Okay, shift. Omdat die reën, remember that sign there, baie onvoorspelbaar was. That's our verb at the end of the sentence. So they'll give you 2 marks, one for shifting this and the other one for adding the conjunction. Next, onderstreep die correcte voorzetsel, that's preposition. They always ask 1 mark for this. Almal verlang na of vir die dae, toe daar nog baie water was. The correct answer is na. Unfortunately, this is something you need to go study because there's very specific sentences for this. Number 35, die woord was het baie meer as een betekenis. That means this is homonym. Gebruik die woord in 2 kort sinne om 2 verskillende betekenisse te wys. So you need to use the word in 2 short sentences to show the different meanings.